धरती तन होए अंबर सब्बे दुख मुके सच्चे पातशाह जी हथ बन देया मत्था टेक देया तुसी आन टुके सच्चे पातशाह जी हेठा चानन दा दरिया वगे उत्तों मेहर दा बरसे मेघ बाबा जिन्ना थावां ते पाए पैर तुसी उत्थे अज भी वरते देग बाबा पार नानक सब थां एक ओंकार नानक हार नानक पार नानक सब थां एक ओंकार नानक तू नूर दा फुटदा चश्मा तू रोशनियां दी रेखाएं एक तेरा ही दरबार सच्चा बाकी सब भरम भुलेखाए तेरा शब्द सुना वैराग होवे तन मन दे बदलन वेग बाबा नानक सब थां एक ओंकार नानक हार नानक पार नानक सब थां एक
Who was your teacher? Do you
Anju
remember?
Rawal. Mrs. Anju Rawal. She is grandmother of Punya Paksh and Tia Rawal. And she
Lovely
is
children,
she
lovely.
is my she is the first teacher of Rabia and Maika.
And Maika.
So that is why I have called her. I have requested to be here. ठीक है? So let's वो she is bringing her. चले? Let him speak the introduction. Let him happen. चलिए.
Very good morning to everybody present. Not just the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, but also to celebrate our connection with this institute. Guru Purab is all about celebrating love, compassion, and relationships, and also the sacrifices made by the Sikh community to keep the legacy of the motto of Sikhism flying high. 6 years ago, when I entered this very room, I was a very timid, innocent, and introverted child who couldn't even speak in front of ma'am. But my journey with Zenith has been a life-changing one. And today, here I stand in front of you all, hosting my second Guru Purab, sadly my last, but not the last the worlds of Zenith will experience. With immense joy and happiness, we would like to pass the baton to our juniors, in the eyes of whom I can see the same old me who walked into this very room, and this experience changed my life entirely.
As we stand here today, the past 7 years are flashing before my eyes. It's surreal to think about the times I've spent on this podium, hosting this very event, looking at the very same eyes filled with hope for the future. I remember vividly how ma'am had told us to host Guru Purab, and the thought shook me. Jishan and I had been hosting something for the first time, but now it's like second nature for us. Reminiscing at the thoughts, it's bittersweet for us today, but as ma'am always tells us, life goes on and so should we. Thus, we invite you today to Guru Purab 2024. As our seniors passed this torch of legacy to us on this very day 2 years ago, their ability to inspire us with their hard work, compassion and spirit shining in its flame. We invite our old Students Association back to their roots while they're on their journey to success.
Now we would like to invite ma'am on the stage for the day.
Yeah.
Say the meaning of Zenith and
What is her name? Ishna.
Ishna.
Ishna and Swana. Okay, both are class 7 students. They are telling you what is the meaning of our institute. The name of our institute is Zenith, and in Punjabi it means Chardi Kala. So she will be explaining that to you.
Well, for most of us, it's just a common word, a name given to institute. However, Zenith has a deeper meaning to it. Be it the highest point in life or Chardi Kala, as we call it in Punjab.
Nanak naam Chardi Kala, tere bhane sarvada. Whenever I used to hear the word Chardi Kala, I used to wonder what it means. I thought it's a religious phrase said in the Gurdwara. But then I rediscovered the meaning of Chardi Kala. Chardi Kala means high spirits, ever progressive, always cheerful, perennially blossoming, unwilting spirit, mind that never despairs, mind that never admits defeat and refuses to be crushed by adversities, perpetual state of certitude, confidence in the ultimate victory of truth over falsehood, intensely energized, ever-ascending state of the spirit. As this historic year comes to an end, here's wishing you all Chardi Kala.
Beautiful. Beautiful, Ishna. Ishna and Swana, well done, well done.
And Nanak is his name, N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji is our first Guruji, Tata Guru Nanak. He was sent by Vaheguru to start Sikhi.
He
Traveled with Mardana, together wind and rain, N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Prithvi.
Bhai Mardana Ji was with Guru Nanak Dev Ji on his journey. Bhai Mardana Ji played Rabab when Guru Nanak Dev Ji sang the words of God Gurbani.
He said that
There is one God, and find him is our aim. N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Everyone has the light of God inside them. When we meditate and listen to Gurbani, we can find God inside ourselves.
He taught the truth to everyone.
Why don't we do the same? N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji is Jagat Guru, the Guru of the whole world. He taught us of all faiths. We should understand his teachings as good human beings and let all the people know about it.
I
Have a special Guru, and Nanak is his name. N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji is our first Guru, Tanna Guru Nanak. He was sent by Vaheguru to start Sikhi.
He
Traveled with Mardana, through desert, wind and rain. N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Bhai Mardana traveled with Guru Nanak Dev Ji on his journeys. Bhai Mardana played Rabab when Guru Nanak Dev Ji sung the words of God Gurbani.
He
Said
said
that there is one God, and find him is our aim. N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K, and Nanak is his name.
Anvika.
Everyone has the light of God inside themselves. When we meditate and listen to Gurbani, we find God inside ourselves.
He taught the truth to everyone.
Why don't we do the same? N-A-N-A-K,
N-A-N-A-K and Nanak is his name.
Myra.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji is Jagat Guru, the Guru of the whole world. He taught people of all faiths. We should understand his teachings as good human beings and let all the people know about it. I have a special Guru and Nanak is his name. N-A-N-A-K, N-A-N-A-K and Nanak is his name.
नहीं बैठी खड़ी कहाँ होगी उनके सामने
बेटा बेटा थोड़ा सा सिर दो आप थोड़ा सिर दो यस
अब इनका दूसरा सॉन्ग
एक बार।
कौन सा सॉन्ग है तुम्हारा
One day came night on earth. The darkness went away and shadows dispersed. A special light of God to bring humanity out of dark. As light was beyond his years, he taught the tongues, teachers, and was peers. He knew that there was more to know. Inside his heart, the light of God.
bow together. चलिए इतना थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाओ शनाया थोड़ा आगे हो जाओ प्लीज पीछे जगह नहीं है
अच्छा भाई की फतेह आप सभी को नानक देव जी के जन्म दिहाड़े कविता शब्द स्नान जा
Absolutely no noise now. I will not tolerate that.
गया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मर्दाना जोगी दुनिया में करता पर उपकार एक मर्दाना जोगी गया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी दुनिया पे करता पर उपकार एक मस्ताना जोगी बाबर दे जेल खाने पी संग मिलते दाने बाबर दे जेल खाने पीसन मिलते गाने चक्की ता चलती चक्की भी बोले सरकार एक मस्ताना जोगी चक्की भी बोले सतकरतार एक मस्ताना जोगी चक्कियां ता चलती आपे आप एक मस्ताना जोगी तकिया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी कालू दा पुत्र प्यारा तृप्ता दी अख दा तारा कालू दा पुत्र प्यारा तृप्ता दी अख दा तारा बाला मर्दाना जिस दे नाल एक मस्ताना जोगी तकिया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी पांडे कुल पढ़ने पाया पांडे नू आप पढ़ाया पांडे कुल पढ़ना पाया पांडे नू आप पढ़ाया तख्ती ते लिखिया एक ओंकार एक मस्ताना जोगी तकिया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी पागो दे माल पूड़े लालो दी सुक्की रोटी पागो दे माल पूड़े लालो दी सुक्की रोटी रोटी चो निकले दुस्ती तार एक मस्ताना जोगी तकिया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी जंगला विच डेरा लाया पत्थरां नू मोम बनाया जंगला विच डेरा लाया पत्थरां नू मोम बनाया पंजा तालाया विच पहाड़ एक मस्ताना जोगी पंजा तालाया विच पहाड़ एक मस्ताना जोगी तकिया मैं बाबर दे दरबार एक मस्ताना जोगी वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा हमारी सिस्टर कहाँ है क्यों पढ़ना था आज ही पढ़ना है उसको
गुरु नानक प्यारे तुझ मन तो सौंप दिया रे मेरे सतगुरु नानक प्यारे तुझे मन तो सौंप दिया रे तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ मेरे सतगुरु नानक प्यारे जिंदगी को मिला है तेरा आसरा आसरा जिंदगी को मिला है तेरा आसरा आसरा क्यों ना हरदम करूं शुक्रिया 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 सिखलाई है सदा तुझे जीने की अदा तुझे ही जन्म है सवारे तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ मेरे सतगुरु नानक प्यारे अंधविश्वास के दे अंधेरे गने अंधविश्वास के दे अंधेरे गने कितना पाए जो पल भर तेरे सामने सामने तेरे चरण जहाँ घर में वहाँ सच के फैले उजियारे तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ
तेरे जैसा मेहरबान दूजा कोई है कहाँ, मेरे सत्य गुरु नानक प्यारे।
Very, very good. शनाया माइक भी है, चलो ऐसे।
तेरे काज है, तेरे काज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, माया को संग त्याग प्रभु जू की शरण
Tejas,
ला।
should I send you out?
माया को संग त्याग प्रभु जू की शरण लाग, जगत सुख मान मिथ्या, जगत सुख मान मिथ्या, जैसे जा आज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, ए तेरे राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, सुपने जगन पछान, काहे पर करत मान, सुपने जगन पछान, काहे पर से बारों की भीत, जैसे वसुधा को राज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, ए तेरे काज है, ए तेरे काज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, नानक जग कहत बात, बिन सूझे सुरोगान, नानक जग कहत बात, बिन सूझे सुरोगान, छिन छिन कर गयो काल, छिन छिन कर गयो काल, जैसे जा आज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर, ए तेरे काज है, ए तेरे काज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर राम सिमर। Meaning of this Shabad is Ram Simar Ram Simar. This is your works. Abandon the company of Maya. Take refuge in the Lord's feet. Happiness of the world is a deception, a false decoration. Why do you value wealth like a dream? The kingdom of the earth is like a wall of sand. Nanak says, without you there is only sorrow. Time is passing moment by moment. Day is also going. You.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. चलो 8th class.
This year, we are celebrating Nanak Dev Ji's birthday with cake and fruit. Celebrating this festival has been a cherished tradition and set through which students can learn about his life and teaching. We, the batch of class 8, are going to do a role play through which we can learn about the importance of love, equality, service, humanity, and much more.
Welcome you all to the special Gurjar Guru Purnima, a sacred and joyous occasion celebrated not only by the Sikhs but everyone around the world. We here at Zenith have been learning the various teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji with the various Punjabi lines man uses and explains, coordinated emulating them. Anything we do that teaches us moral lessons in life.
Today, as we pay tribute to his life and teachings, we will witness a glimpse into the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji through a series of stories. These stories will capture his compassion, his wisdom, and his dedication to uplifting humanity.
In this story, we will go down the memory lane of 1500s, which was entangled with the various bases of discrimination. We aim to honor his legacy and bring to life the timeless principles that he shared with the world.
So, let us watch and learn as these scenes unfold, honoring the less, spreading his message of love and equality. There was a lot of discrimination and caste system followed by people at that time. The Dalits and Shudras were at the bottom of the social ladder and faced exploitation and discrimination. Religion was practiced in a way that was devoid of spirituality, with priests focusing more on rituals and religions. Women were not considered equal citizens. That's how a lot of people were discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, color, religion, and gender.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji entered at Mardana, carrying a tambourine and staff.
Mardana, let us share the message of the divine with these beautiful people. By divine, I mean the connection with God.
Your words have the power to transform lives.
Look, Ramsaran, the Fakir has arrived.
Let's go listen to the speech. The king, Daulat Khan Lodi, sits on the throne surrounded by his soldiers.
I have heard of a fakir named Nanak. Bring him before me.
But your majesty, he's a humble villager.
I'll just test his wisdom. Bring him.
Jagat Singh brings Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Mardana before the king.
I'll ask you 3 questions, Nanak. If you answer them correctly,
Face it here. Face it.
if you answer them correctly, I'll grant you riches.
I am ready, Your Majesty. But Your Majesty, he's just a villager.
Silence, Qazi. I'll just test his wisdom. Sometimes the easiest words holds the deepest truth. My first question: how can one become the closest to God?
By remembering God's name and serving humanity.
What is the most valuable thing in life?
The most valuable things in life are contentment and humility. By contentment, I mean being happy in whatever you have, and you don't have to compare yourselves with people who have more riches than you. And humility can be learned from the trees that bear the fruits and get bent into it. And that's the law of nature. As it's rightly said, बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंछी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अधिक.
My third question: what is the greatest wealth?
The wealth of Naam and the treasure of good deeds.
Nanak, your answers are impressive. How can we implement them?
By living a life of compassion, justice, and humility. Compassion here means pity for someone who is suffering.
Your answers are impressive, but how can I, a king for humanity?
Use your power, protect the weak, donate for the poor, and donate for the poor.
King Daulat Khan Lodi is moved by Guru Nanak's words.
From today, I vow to rule with compassion and fairness.
But Your Majesty, what about our traditions?
Traditions that harm people are not worth following.
Villagers gather around Guru Nanak Dev Ji, eager to learn.
Guruji, your words have changed our king's heart. Now we have hope. I donate my wealth to build a community kitchen for the poor.
The best thing that he has taught us is to respect our women, our mothers, daughters, sisters, and wives. Did you hear when he said, "Take you manda aakhiye, chinjamya rajan"? It means, Aapya ke Hindu and me were women give birth to kings.
We will volunteer to help those in need. We are so blessed and fortunate that Guruji has shown us the right path. We will use all means at our end and help those in need with all our might.
True wealth does not lie in the riches, but in the positive impact we have on others' lives.
words transformed the king's heart, inspiring him to become a just ruler. His legacy reminds us that true greatness lies in service.
May the light of the power guide us, and let us all strive to create a world in which everyone has access to basic necessities and opportunities to thrive.
Villagers including Mai Bhagi, Lakpat and Bhola work together, serving food, building homes and caring for the needy.
The people of Sultanpur came together inspired by Guru Nanak's words. Guru Nanak's teachings, they built a community that values compassion, equality and selfless service.
Welcome to our Guru Purab quiz. We have just had an enriching roleplay session where we explored the life, teachings and legacy of our Guru. Let's see how attentive everyone was. The first question: where did Guru Nanak Dev Ji travel to? Very good. The second The second question: who accompanied Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Sultanpur?
Mardana.
Third question: who was the king in the skit? Jagat Singh. Very good.
King.
Daulat Khan. The fourth question: what did the king offer Guru Nanak for correct answers?
बोल.
What is the most valuable thing according to Guru Nanak?
कोई नहीं.
What is the most valuable thing according to Guru Nanak?
लगा हुआ नहीं था, मतलब हाँ मतलब रखा हुआ था. थोड़ा शूट कर रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट बाद फोन करूँ.
Sixth question:
कैमरा चल रहा है.
who was skeptical of Guru Nanak's wisdom?
Who was skeptical of Guru Nanak's wisdom?
मतलब who was opposing?
Who was opposing him? कौन था? काजी.
आपने देखा है ना? What did Lakpat decide to build for the poor? What does true wealth lie in according to Guru Nanak?
The name of God.
It's a very good. Impact. What did the villagers of Sultanpur value in their community?
What did the villagers of Sultanpur value in their community?
Equality. Who vowed to rule with compassion and fairness?
Next, we tell you Palace Vasha, which describes the core values of Guru Purab.
सूरज निकले आ
Today also, so I'm coming. At least हमारी साथ हो जाएगी ना.
Guru Nanak appeared, dispelling the darkness and bringing light to the world. As the sun rises, the stars hide, and the darkness fades away. The lion roars and the deer dance, but they remain calm and undisturbed. Guru Nanak appeared. Wherever Baba sets foot, a place of worship is established. All the saints and beings of the world acknowledge Nanak as the first. Guru Nanak appeared. In every home there is a house of faith where singing praises is eternal. Baba has enlightened the 4 directions and the 7 continents of the earth with truth. Through the Guru, the dark age has been illuminated. Thank you.
Hello.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Sikh Guru, laid the foundations of the new faith and citizenship. His teachings have transcended generations, guiding people with messages of love, equality, compassion, and devotion of the divine. Now I'm going to share a small incident of his life. Once Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited Haridwar. There he saw some priests throwing water from the river in the sun's direction. He asked them what it was about, and they told him that they were offering water to their ancestors who are in the other world in the region of the sun. Upon hearing this, Guru Nanak Dev Ji did the same but in the west direction. When they asked him that what he was doing, he replied that he was watering his fields which were around 400 miles away. The priest asked that why they were doing so, and then Guru Nanak Dev Ji replied that if your water can reach as ancestors who are not even in this world, then why can't it reach my fields which are just 400 miles away? This incident teaches us that all human beings can have a direct connection with God with no need of rituals. His important teachings are Kirat Karo, Ram Chakro, Vivan Chakro, which means work honestly, meditate and do selfless service.
But do you all know that Guru Nanak Dev Ji was the world's first environmentalist? He believed that nature was as much a part of God's creation as human beings. He believed that the nature, that universe was created by divine order and with divine purpose, and it was our duty as humans to protect that divine order. He envisioned nature as the shape of God, that is Shakara, manifests is not in humanity alone. It is the entire nature and universe.
बस्ती से ही आए हैं. हाँ, बट फिर भी अब तो अलाउड है ना, तब तो अलाउड नहीं था ना, तब तो अलाउड नहीं था, अब तो फिर भी चल सकता है. पर फिर भी जिन्होंने टाइम पे आना था वो आए थे. गुरविका टाइम पे आई हुई थी, राधिका भी ऑलमोस्ट टाइम पे आई है, बड़े लोग टाइम पे आए हैं, सुनिधि टाइम पे आई है. तुम कहाँ टाइम पे आए? मेरे को यहाँ से सब नजर आ रहा है. रेवा टाइम पे आई है, सब आए. तुम तो प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट हो, प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट को तो टाइम पे ही आना है ना बेटा. चलिए
Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, timeless wisdom and life lessons that continue to
guide and inspire people. Here are some of the most significant teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Oneness of God, Ek Omkar. Guru Nanak taught that there is only one God who is the same for all, regardless of religion, race or social status. He emphasized that everyone is connected through his oneness and recognizing it brings harmony. Selfless service, seva. One of his core teachings was to serve humanity without selfish motives. He encouraged his followers to help those in need, and the tradition of Langar, community kitchen, in Sikhism embodies this value, promoting equality and compassion. Honest living, Kirat Kari. He encouraged people to live an honest life by working hard and earning a truthful livelihood. Sharing with others, Pancha. Guru Nanak advocated sharing one's earnings and resources with others. This principle encourages generosity and compassion, fostering a spirit of unity within communities. Meditation and remembrance of God, Naam Japna. Guru Nanak encouraged his followers to meditate on God's name and remember Him in every action and thought. This practice of Naam Japna is a way to remember, to remain connected to the divine.
And then you will explain the meaning. Okay? Huh? अच्छा बैठ जाइए बैठ
सोच न होए जे सोचे न भाव चुप चुप न होए जे लाए हालदार दुनिया मुक्त न हुई जे मन्ना दुनिया पार सहस्या न होए जानिक न चले ना दिल सजियारा हुए
सतनाम करता मूलक निर्भय निर्भय अकाल मूलक अजूनी सेवन प्रसाद said Guru Nanak Dev Ji. What he meant was there is one creator, one God, the immortal. This verse sets the foundation for Sikhism's belief in one universal God.
Living in this dark age, can we create time?
Close up. Close up, close up.
There's just nobody else who loves like my guru. He knows my heart so well, more than I do. My hero, Dhani Guru Nanak Ji, Dhani Guru Nanak Ji. Turi Nirankar Baba, Turi Nirankar, Dhani Baba Nanak, Turi Nirankar. Guru Nanak spread the light, the truth of Vaheguru. For we must remember the divine inside you. It's times to reach out to share, and we're proud of what we do. Nobody's high or low, we fair and living untrue. I will spend my whole life singing the praises of you. You saved so many souls, please Lord, you save me too. Guru Nanak, you're my hero. Dhani Guru Nanak Ji, Dhani Guru Nanak Ji. Turi Nirankar Baba, Turi Nirankar, Dhani Baba Nanak, Turi Nirankar. I know who I would be without you, Guruji. Please bless me with your mercy and keep me at your feet. Guru Nanak, you're my hero. Dhani Guru Nanak Ji, Dhani Guru Nanak Ji. Guru Nanak, you're my hero. Dhani Guru Nanak Ji, Dhani Guru Nanak Ji. Turi Nirankar Baba, Turi Nirankar, Dhani Baba Nanak, Turi
Welcoming you all, my old students, my present students, I welcome you all. As always, I would like to share certain very important things with you all. Things that are the life lessons that some of you carry, others don't. There are so many who have not come today also. One pretext or the other. This exam, that test, this family function, that family function. Everything else can wait if you have the will. Everything will wait. Everything will take its place. Unless and until you give importance to wherever you are and whatever you are doing, we will also not give any importance to you. See the decoration, the amount of hard work that has gone. The decoration team came yesterday at 2 o'clock. They were through at 7 o'clock. It took them 5 hours to do the entire decoration. It takes so much time. I want all of you to realize that. There is a girl who is in class 12. I'll talk about you also and I'll call you here on the stage. There is a girl whose name is Urvi Jain. This girl is having some problem on her feet. She has hurt her feet very badly. She and her mother have made this model. She and her mother have made this model and it took them. इसके पास माइक है, बंद करो बेटा. And it took them 6 hours to make this project, to make this model. 3D model where she has depicted all the things that Guru Nanak Dev Ji used to carry along with him and all the disciples who have gathered around her and the diyas, of course, the light that he brought to the world. It took her and her mother 6 hours. Similarly, I said the decoration team, some of them are already having their exams. They also came and spent 5 hours. They came at 2, they went back at 7. These 4, Chahat, Shivanya, and to top it all, Disha. I can always bank upon her. Disha was the leader and then Dhriti, of course. So, Dhriti is having exams. Her mother was scolding her. She said, no, I will manage. This is multitasking. Telling me, I will not be able to come because my exams are going on is an answer that anybody can give. I don't want to listen to this answer. See, look at these two. They are in class 2 at 12, having their free boards. You are not in class 12? So, they are having their free boards. And the moment I announced that we are going to have Guru Purab on 17th, the same day itself after the class, they sat for 45 minutes and prepared the script. Once again, they sat for after and yesterday also evening they were there to finalize everything. So I want each and every student who is present in the hall and who is also not present to scold them, to tell them how important it is for you to come. Why the hell am I organizing such a function if you people are not interested in that? Well, it's very easy to make a mistake, make an excuse. I cannot come. And many of you have come late also. That is also absolutely wrong. I said 10:30 is the time, 10:30 sharp, you have to be here. Why were you not here at 10:30? Why were you not here at 10:30? Isn't the discipline more important? Then, now, I'll tell you something about one more boy. Krish Bansal, he is in class 8. The parents, I would like to speak 1-2 lines about the parents also. The parents have to play a very important role in shaping their children. I think his mother plays a very important role in shaping his personality. There is not even a single class that he misses. He is sick, very sick. It was almost impossible for him to come. He has been running high fever. Yet, few days back, I had to cancel their class and I had to reschedule it. His mother told me same time. The moment I sent the message, another message came. Ma'am, Krish has another class at that time. I said it's okay. I will conduct any other class for him later on. But when I came to the class, he was sitting there. I said, Krish, how come you are sitting here? Have you come? He said, ma'am, my mother adjusted that class. And that's why I am here. All these small things in life are very important. Very important. unless and until you learn these, you cannot go far ahead. If you really want to go far ahead in life, you have to learn all these things. And my compliments to all Stuti, Kashvi, Gunvika, every day for the last 3 days I have been saying, that batch will never come. That batch will never come. So the kind of attachment I have with you, you are my family. But in order to become my family, you have to show affection to me and I will in return show affection to you. है ना? If you are indifferent, आ जाएंगे, लेट आ जाएंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर आपका ये एटीट्यूड होगा तो मेरा भी तो वही एटीट्यूड होगा. कोई बात नहीं, आए नहीं आए तो नहीं आए. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले आपको ये चीज सीखनी है. Discipline, punctuality, consistency. Nothing can be achieved without consistency. Nothing on this earth can be achieved without consistency. Is it okay? So you must inculcate these habits within yourself. Today for the first time, Rabia and Maika, both my daughters, have also joined you. So they would also like to share some of their thoughts with you. And I'm waiting for them. And after that, till then we can hear Pai. Come here. Oh Pai, I have forgotten your book there. This one is for you, all the seniors. That not just me, even Rabia, Maika, and even my husband knows almost each one of them. Almost each one of them. They may not know by name sometimes, but then the more you give, the more you take. There is a boy whose name is Adhiraj Sharma. There is a boy whose name is Adhiraj Sharma. He's in class 5 or 6. And he makes it a point whenever, same is with Ayansh also. Whenever he sees uncle is there, he will go and greet him first and then come here. Adhiraj. And so is Ayansh. Ayansh has also been doing the same. Whenever he sees uncle, भागता हुआ जाएगा. ये छोटी छोटी बातें जिंदगी में आपको बहुत आगे ले जाएंगी या वहीं पीछे ले आएंगी. तो मैं बार जो आपको little things in life are very important. Stuti will talk about them little later. So Stuti extempore. You don't have to prepare anything. You don't need any preparation now. So this is what you need to learn. This is what I have been hampering about. Chaliye. So they would like to share a little bit about you, about anything about that you might like to hear.
Yeah, hello everyone. So as Babita ma'am has introduced, we are her daughters. And so at the outset, we would start by appreciating all the efforts that each one of you has put in today to make this event a success. I mean, it's amazing to see how all of you, especially the younger lot, at such young age, you have so much confidence and poise, the way with which you speak in front of an audience. I mean, I think we both of us feel that it is great, and especially if you see right from the decoration that was done by the decorating team yesterday, or our lively hosts Diana and Ishan, who host so well, or perhaps the wonderful performances that each one of you has put in to make this event a success. Both of us, we really cherished each and every moment spent in the show today.
So over the years, we've seen that this function, this celebration, has grown from strength to strength, and it is all because all of you have made it your own. Today we gather here not just to remember the great saint Guru Nanak, but to celebrate the journey of Zen, the institution that, under the guidance and mentorship of Babita ma'am, has nurtured so many bright young minds like you all. It has provided a platform for you all to express your creativity, your thoughts, your ideas, your emotions. And most of all, it has given you all a space to connect with each other, to form friendships, and
And it is very important, please remember, it is very important because these days we are also hooked onto our smartphones that we don't have time for this.
So basically it's very important for each one of us to realize the power of a platform. I mean, none of us should ever assume that public speaking is only for a chosen few, perhaps who are extroverts or who have the gift of gab. Many of you might not be aware, but the famous producer and director Karan Johar was once a very shy and awkward kid. I mean, he could barely speak 5 words in front of public. And then once he got to speak on a public speaking platform, and then after that, as we all know, it's history. He never looked back, and that is exactly the story of so many great men and women like Mahatma Gandhi, Warren Buffett, who have used the power of their voice to bring about a change in society, to change the destinies of the world. So this, my dear friends, it is the power of a platform to bring out the best in each one of you.
So you must all use this platform to voice your opinions, to have your voice, to share your ideas. And remember that each one of us is unique, no idea is insignificant, and all our thoughts matter. So we would like to end with the very famous lyrics of a song called Unwritten. I think many of you may know that. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Keep yourself, drench yourself in thoughts unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins. The rest is still unwritten.
So thank you so much, and hope to see many new faces also next time on this side of the stage. Thank you.
And before they go, let us please welcome.
Arey ma'am, please, it's okay. It's my house. Second round.
Raima's absence is being felt, Raima and Namya, and to compensate for that, her mother has come here with a cake for all of you.
Yeah, ma'am, that's really, yeah, ma'am, yeah, I love being here. It is just this, and thank you so much.
Please come.
नहीं, ma'am, it's okay.
बर्दाश्त कर लो।
हाँ,
आ जाओ।
कोई मैम मुझे
आओ ना मेरे साथ फोटो तो खींच लो। कैसे उसे पता चलेगा आप आए हो?
मैम उसको सब पता होता है। मैम ऑलवेज भी चली गई है।
वो हर जगह होती है। आप हमारी एक मिनट। Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. The meaning of her name is a beautiful flower, Pahi. So I said, what is she going to speak? She is going to honor all the old students who are sitting here. She is trying to speak something for you, including Disha Didi, who is standing outside. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखिए वो राधिका, वो गुणविका, ये त्यांशी दीदी भी ओल्ड हो गई और ये शिवांश और कौन है पुराना बच्चा? रेवा, सुनिधि, फिर नंदिका, फिर बाहर कौन है? हाँ, राधिका, दूसरी राधिका गोयल, और anybody else who is an old student? Have I missed? Nothing, no? बाकी तो नए हैं ना जो अभी है, ठीक है? So now listen to her.
A very warm welcome to one and all. Heartfelt thanks to the most honorable Babita ma'am. I take extreme pride in calling myself a small star of Zen. After seeing the presence of such big, prestigious and glorified members who used to be the students of Zen. On behalf of Babita ma'am, I would like to thank the alumni of Zen for being the guiding light for all of us. Having heard a lot of praises about you, I got the opportunity of seeing you all working so beautifully for the Good Purnam celebration. Your attitude towards the celebration has inculcated in me the best feeling of unity, family, and love. I look up to you and will try to be like you in the future. The bond of love and compassion of Babita ma'am is highly appreciable and applauded. May this connection of you with all of us grow many folds and be treasured for life. I wish we as a Zenith family rise and shine, spreading love and happiness in our synapses. All the students of Zenith are looking forward to meet you once again with loads of memories and happiness on their faces. May you
achieve great heights in your life. Wishing you Chardi Kala. Thank you and have a happy and memorable day. Regards, students of science.
Now may I call upon
शुरू भी तू अखीर तू है गुरु बाबा 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 रुख भी तेरे पत्ते तेरे मेरे सारे छत्ते तेरे रुख भी तेरे पत्ते तेरे मेरे सारे छत्ते तेरे पक्के तेरे रंग तेरे रंग सारे लत्ते तेरे तू कर विच कर तेरा सब सुर दे सत है तेरे वाह गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा मेरे सतगुरु जी तुसी मेहर करो
चलो सब लोग साथ में मेरे सतगुरु जी तुसी मेहर करो मैं करते देते आई हुई मेरे घर माल ना देखे जी मैं कर्मा तो शर्माई हुई मेरे कर्मा की तुसी देर करो मैं करते देते आई हुई सुखाले देते आ जाना ओ मंगिया मुरादा पा जाता ओ असर कराने पा जाता मैं भी खाली छोड़ी ना मैं भी करते आस लगाई हुई मेरे कर्मा ना देखे हुई मैं कर्मा तो शर्माई हुई मेरे सतगुरु जी तुसी मेहर करो मैं करते देते आई हुई करते देते आई हुई मैं करते देते आई हुई He is Gurvika's younger brother, and although he is not a student of Zenith, yet he comes every year to sing a Shabad for us. Thank you. God bless. Chalo beta gaao. Stuti, Kashvi, Gurvika. These are my old students. She happens to be she is Stuti. She is Kashvi Agarwal. They happen to be, Stuti happens to be my first student. We were almost the same. So then auntie's daughter, Raima Bhalla, the most cherubic girl that we have ever had on this institute. Often. सही वर्ड उसके लिए नहीं है, पर वो बहुत प्यारी आफत, ठीक है। और ये सब बच्चे जो हैं, ये सब they will tell you little bit about themselves, just one minute, and they will introduce themselves, and just listen to them. It will be, Dadika, why are you sitting there? You are also an old student. You want to be there? Aajo. Chalo. Let's start with Stuti.
Okay, so
Hi everyone, I'm Stuti. I don't know how many of you are familiar with me. So I was...
Silence please, silence, no talking.
Yes.
So I'm in second year of college right now, which means I was in Zenith up till 2 years ago. And so right now I'm doing my bachelor's from Mumbai, Saviors College, Mumbai. So it's a complete coincidence that I happen to be here on the same day. So I think, like ma'am said, I was not told that I had to come up and speak, but knowing ma'am, I knew that she's going to ask all of us to come up and speak over here. But I think if you can't craft a speech within 10 seconds on this platform, then you're not maximizing the potential out of Zenith. Like ma'am said, little things do matter, and they're going to take you a long way. So like ma'am said, since I was one of the first students of ma'am, I've seen this institute grow from, so this was not the classroom you were in. I remember going to class with ma'am where she used to have class in that sofa area that you cross when you come up. So I had my classes over there. This did not start off as an English class. Like one thing my mom always used to tell me is that she never sent me to this class to learn English. It started off as a personality development class. And I think ma'am has hit that sweet spot right now where it's a perfect balance of academics with life lessons. So what you learn in this class is much more than you're going to learn at any other English institution. And I think that's what brings all of us together over here. Since ma'am talked about the little things and what you learn on days like these, it's not regular.
क्या सबका एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. ये बच्चे
तो सुन नहीं रहे तो what is the point?
पानी के बिना नहीं रुक सकते. हाँ. तो लाना चाहिए था. बस आओ बेटा. देर से जागे. He is also an old student and he happens to be elder brother of Ishan, who is doing the comparing. उसका बड़ा भाई है ये, कविश.
ये भूल गया था कि मैं
ये भूल गया, ये old student है कि नहीं है. हाँ, now sorry स्तुति, क्योंकि ये बहुत इनको रह नहीं पा रहे अब पानी के बिना, इसलिए इंटरप्शन करनी पड़ी है. अब आप बहुत ध्यान से स्तुति को सुनोगे और मैं जब भी आप क्लास में आओगे, जिस भी क्लास में आओगे, है ना, Ishna will repeat what she says. She is one of my best students. She is one of my best students. The way she is conducting herself, ये दोनों वाले जो अभी songs इन्होंने गाए थे 7th में, और इसकी ट्रांसलेशन, उसको ट्रांसक्राइब करना, वहाँ से लिखना, ये सब कुछ ये करती है. She is also very good, very good. All these 4 girls are very good. Swana, the way she has started speaking now is wonderful. बहुत अच्छा बोला था. चलो बेटा, आप बोलो.
So, I'll just talk about the function that we're all at right now. So, Guru Purab is something that I've seen ma'am start. It wasn't always there, but over time it's come to be one of the most cherished things that we have at Zenith. Like to have Ishana and Diana comparing for you today. Kashvi and I used to do it back in the day. So, it's a lot of fresh memories that are coming back now that I'm here. So, I'll talk about Guru Purab. You all might think that this is not an ordinary class, like ma'am mentioned. A lot of people tend to skip out on this day, but the people who do come here, all of us used to be there at every Guru Purab celebration, and we're here even 2 days after Passover. So it speaks a lot to the kind of family you create when you come to occasions that you don't have to come to, but you want to come to. So I'll just give you a small incident. So up until yesterday only, I had 2 friends of mine who were visiting from Bombay, so I was just showing them around for the past 4 days. So yesterday I took them to Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Yesterday morning we went for langar over there. And since both of them are Christians, like this is a culture that they haven't witnessed at all. Being from Bombay is one thing, and on top of that being Christian, they didn't know anything about Sikh culture. I'm not a Sikh myself, but I was able to show them the entire Gurudwara. I was able to tell them every single part of what happens and where it happens. Not because I'm from that culture, but because ma'am has allowed me to be a part of that culture through this day. I knew what langar is, I knew how to address, how to sort of present myself in a Gurudwara, how to navigate them through it. And I could tell them, I feel like I did a good job taking them around that place, even though I'm not a part of that culture necessarily. So always remember that even though you don't necessarily are brought up in certain places or in certain cultures, these are some things that you imbibe from all those that you see around yourself. And coming to Zenith, it's not just a mix of a lot of ideologies and a lot of mindsets, but you also get to meet a lot of people you would not have met otherwise. And you get to take them with you throughout, even after you've left this institution. So I think that is something all of you should think about, the way you conduct yourself, the way you are in front of others. It matters a lot, and that is something you may not realize right now. But once you do get out of this safe space that you've created for yourself, those things are what are going to make you stand out in that crowd. So definitely do keep coming to future Guru Purab celebrations. Keep your association with ma'am because it's going to take you a very long way, trust me.
also one of your neighbors. So I've been coming here since I was a child, I think 7th or 8th grade, and this one day was always so special for us, not just because that it's a festival or something, but it's just the way ma'am presented it to all of us. All of us understood the values and the importance of this precious day, and thanks to ma'am, we're here once again. Even after 2 years of us passing out, we still know the importance of this day, and we make sure that whenever we are around, at least not in college, then we make sure that we come here and be a part of this day. So I would encourage you all that at least till when you are here with ma'am, make sure you're here, because it's not just about all of us sitting together, but it's about the experience, it's about the learnings that we all take back.
कोई नहीं अपना एक हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Last night, so me and my brother was one of the first students ma'am taught. So me and my brother, he's right now in Australia. So we were talking last night, and I was just discussing that I'll be going to the event today, and he was actually really happy. So ma'am, I just wanted to tell you that he was saying that he misses you and he wishes that he was here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Ma'am,
much.
also I'd like to thank you that I would like to say that because of you, I would say that one of the very first students here in college.
Wow.
Today I got to know is like I have to inform Babina ma'am because I started speaking English this week.
Kashvi. Okay, so as you all know, I was one of the first students of ma'am. This house was my second home. Ma'am has been my second mother. Even for my mother, she's been a second mother. And coming here did not feel like a burden. We used to sit here. As we said that we used to take classes in ma'am's drawing room. And we have seen this institution grow. We've seen ma'am grow, and because of ma'am, we all as a family grew. And during these celebrations like Guru Purab, so after everybody went to their homes, we used to sit outside for at least half an hour to 1 hour, and we used to enjoy food, and we used to talk to ma'am. Not just us, but our moms as well. Yeah, exactly. Our parents used to come. So it's been very special being with ma'am, and we do wish that every year we can come here at least this one day to at least celebrate ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Trisha.
Flashbacks of Stuti and Kashvi standing there, and decoration team being Raima, Namya, me, Gundrika, and literally everyone present on the stage, and ma'am feeding us a lot of food. लो चाहिए लो. कल भी मैम यही करी थी जब हम डेकोरेशन कर रहे थे. मैम was bringing खांडवी, nachos, pastry. मैम बस करो, कल भी आपने खिलाना है. So you know this. Even if you don't have this relationship with her, it does not mean कि आपको करना ही करना है. It is not a burden. If you bring one step forward, she is going to bring 100 more. So जब तक यहाँ पे हो, just enjoy. Don't come here for these worksheets that ma'am does here. Ma'am की जो बातें होती है ना क्लास में, जो मैम stories सुनाती हैं, जो आप घर जाकर अपनी मम्मी को सुनाते हो, वो important होती है. That's all.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई एक नई बात, कोई भी नई बात.
So hi, I'm Gundrika and I'm in my second year right now. I'm pursuing Bachelor of Arts in Psychology from Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University. And honestly, अगर मेरा hard work है तो उसमें उसके से भी ज़्यादा मैम का था, because I'd like to mention our incident. So I changed schools in class 11. Okay, I was in Convent of Jesus and Mary earlier, and then I shifted to Springdale School, Dhalakma. And they did not open admission very legally, like ऐसे section नहीं पाया था कुछ. So it was just that I did cold mailing and I wanted to get in that school, and I tried my best. So मेरा entrance हुआ, and along with me another boy gave an entrance for the science stream. I was from humanities. So I gave my entrance. मेरा English, math, the subjects I was interested in. I had my entrance. But उसके बाद my principal specially called my parents and me of course to meet them and to मतलब when she announced my results and stuff. So उसने सबसे पहले एक ही लाइन बोली which was कि इसका पेपर देख के पता चल रहा है कि she is from a convent school because जो English paper का level she's written ना, she said it herself कि पहले तो आप JNU कर रहे हो and next thing she said कि पता चल रहा है कि English का level क्या है which is actually unmatched and cannot be compared. So all the credits to ma'am because I joined Zenith in class 6 or 7 I believe. So thank you ma'am, thank you everybody and all of them you see standing here. I met some of them I knew pehle se, some of them I met at Zenith. They're just a family and it's like home away from home. And I make sure कि even after like I've been an ex-student of Zenith, I make sure to keep in touch with ma'am and I don't make her feel कि we are aloof or we are not a part of this anymore. कि हम classes लेने तो नहीं आते हैं but ma'am की help जरूर करते हैं and till date college में भी कुछ भी I engage in any activity I make sure to tell her सबसे पहले I've done this, I've achieved this, I got prize, ये etc.
She is always in touch with me. All compliments to her. And people may forget, but she is always in touch. मेरा ये हो गया, अब मैं ये कर रही हूँ, अब मैं वो कर रही हूँ, मैम अब ये अच्छा चल रहा है, अब ये हो रहा है. She's always, and she would always write, how can I help you? When should I come? And things like that. These things are very important. Very, very, very important.
And you know, being a part of this celebration, more than that is the back-end work. मतलब हमें अभी भी हमेशा याद रहता है. I remember एक बार राइमा और हम सब, all of the people you see standing here, one day before हम decoration वगैरह सब organize कर रहे थे. तो मैम आज में कि तुम क्या खाओगे? And McDonald's के burgers आए थे सबके लिए.
नहीं जो बेस्ट पार्ट नहीं बताया. पहले इन्होंने McDonald's के burgers हमने ऑर्डर कर दिए, वो आ गए. ठीक है, आने थे अभी इतनी देर में इन लोगों ने पुश किया काशवी को कि काशवी तू जाके नीचे बोल कि फ्रेंच फ्राइज भी चाहिए. और काशवी अपनी बहुत भोली बहुत अंकल हमको फ्रेंच फ्राइज भी चाहिए. तो दैट इनोसेंस है ना. वेयर कैन यू गो एंड टेल योर टीचर दैट यू वांट इज फ्रेंच फ्राइज आल्सो है ना. सो दोबारा सुन ले, थक गई दोबारा सुन के है तो दोबारा सुन ले, इसे याद कर ले. ठीक है. So this shows the kind of attachment they have with me. That was when we celebrated एक excellence वाला function किया था. Achievement day किया था. और यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने वो भी hats और वो लगाए थे. She has passed out only.
I passed out this year only. I left this year only, like 6 months back. So my journey with Zenith has been like really great. I got to know about Zenith via Raima Didi only. She only told me about. Yeah, I don't know. This is nice. She only told me about this, and from that day onwards, it's like Zenith is my second home. Ma'am has also second home.
हमारे parents
all of us is our second home. And ma'am has always been there with us like every time. कोई function होता था, कुछ होता था, we used to always tell ma'am कि ma'am school में ये हो रहा है and we need your help. So it's like that. So I would suggest you all कि please इस time को cherish करो and जितना don't come here is like ये तुम्हारी English की class. Just enjoy here when you come.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else? Himansh, ये भाई साहब इतने बड़े हो गए हैं और
My name is Shan and he is my brother from another brother. And we have been coming to Zenith from I guess from 8th or 9th class, and it's been a wonderful experience. Like we are still emotionally attached. Like the fun we had in the classes, there were some laughing moments, and it was overall very fun to come and visit this classroom. And to tell you all, I am pursuing BBA Honors in Business Analytics from Open Jindal Global University. And Shivansh is doing.
Hi, I'm Shivansh. I'm doing Bachelor of Computer Science
from Australia.
Monash University, Australia. And I just want to say thanks to Kavita ma'am for her guidance.
3 cheers for ma'am. Big bang.
राधिका तुमको नहीं बोलना.
And I'll just share one incident. So basically, I'm doing fashion business management. So it involves a lot of dealing with brands and industrialists etc. So recently, I had a meeting with a brand. So I literally had a fight with them, and so in response, they literally asked me, "Who taught you to speak that much? Like how? Like people are scared to talk to industry and just shouting around and shouting at them. I don't know about my parents. It was my teacher, Babita ma'am. So she taught me to speak. She taught me to speak. She used to scold me when I don't stand for myself. So now I can. So basically, as Tuti said, new personality development class, it was actually for me.
She is also an old student, Naima. हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. सुकरेवा बोलो. राइमा बदल गई. नहीं नाइमा है इसका नाम. नाइमा.
You want to tell your parents and you are afraid of, tell her. She gonna portray it in a very beautiful way and she gonna make you feel like, okay, you did well, you did excellent, and even if you didn't, she gonna do it. Because I was also someone कि मैं अपने parents को कुछ नहीं बताती थी. And she was like, tell me, you stay here, tell me. Then she asked my parents कि this is the problem and this is the answer. So you don't scold my child, I will tell her what to do. So if you want to portray yourself, just stand here, ask ma'am, and she gonna help you out. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Whatever English I have is because of her. She has done, like, I have all credit to my English goes to her. She has been there for me through my silence every class. And I was able to get into St. Mary College because of her. So yeah.
Thank you.
So I joined ma'am in class 10th only, but now we shifted to Gurgaon. So last year I came and I was very happy, and then we shifted. So I promised ma'am that I will be coming on this day. So today I just came for ma'am, and ma'am has always been there for me, and she taught me so much, and I scored like really good in 10th. So all thanks to ma'am. Thank you so much.
ठीक है चलिए अब आप 2 मिनट. When he was lying in state का मतलब होता है जब बड़े लोगों की डेथ होती है तो उनकी डेड बॉडी पड़ी होती है और लोग आते हैं अपनी रिस्पेक्ट पे करने. There were more than 1 lakh people. 1 lakh people were there to pay respect to him, to his mortal remains. He had already died. But then there was so pin drop silence. You could see, you could hear the sound of the waves. क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल सी के साथ था तो waves की sound सुनाई दे रही थी. इतनी pin drop silence थी उस इंसान के लिए जिसने इंडिया की इंडस्ट्रियल स्ट्रक्चर को, जो एक बहुत ही अच्छा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट तो बहुत सारे हैं बट जो बहुत अच्छा ह्यूमन बीइंग था, उसने जो अदानी और अंबानी दोनों को मिला के जितनी वेल्थ उन दोनों के पास है उससे ज्यादा वेल्थ उसने चैरिटी में दे दी. उससे ज्यादा वेल्थ जितनी उनके पास है वो हम सब सोचते हैं अंबानी इज द रिचेस्ट, अदानी इज द रिचेस्ट. नो दे आर नॉट रिच. नो दे आर नॉट रिच. रतन टाटा वाज रिच. समझ गए? तो वैसा इंसान बनने की कोशिश करना है. आपकी एक भी किसी की भी हल्की सी भी आवाज ना आए. हमें इसकी आवाज ऐसे सुननी चाहिए जैसे कि माइक से बोल रहा है. माइक काम नहीं कर रहा, कोई बात नहीं. He will conduct the ardas as he has been doing every year, right? So absolutely no talking now. चलिए.
साहिब श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी महाराज सप्ताही होय सहाय. दसा पातशाह दी जोत श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी दे पाठ दर्शन दीदार दा ध्यान करके बोलो जी. सत ते चढ़े आर्या नाल चिराए गए गुरुद्वारियां दी सेवा ਲਈ कुर्बानियां कीतियां. पर हम नहीं हारिया दे मान ताणियां दे ताण नियोटियां दी ओट ने आसरिया दे आसरे हे सच्चे पिता वाहिगुरु आप दी चरना विच अरदास बेनती है साडी क्लास में सदा चढ़दिया कलावां विच जो जी आप जी दरते आवे सो राजी जा सुख होवे नाम चितावे नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सर्वदा भला।
Now we पहले प्रसाद चढ़ेगा फिर उसके बाद
मेरा भाई वो नहीं लाया
हम तो होंगे नहीं, हम नेक्स्ट ईयर होंगे ना, हमारा लास्ट ईयर।
छोटा टेबल
कोई ऐसा प्रकाश जहानी आया ते हो गए दूर हनेरे। हाँ सदियां बदी रात है मुकिया ते परे खेड़िया नाल सवेरे ते परे खेड़िया नाल सवेरे। होण मुबारक सब नूं ए जो घड़ियां आईयां जी, होण मुबारक सब नूं ए जो घड़ियां आईयां जी। गुरपुरब दियां सारियां नूं होण वधाइयां जी, गुरपुरब दियां सारियां नूं होण वधाइयां जी। होण मुबारक सब नूं तारण वाला जग ते आप आया, बाणी रूप च करने सब नू जाप लाया। जग नू तारण वाला जग ते आप आया, बाणी रूप च करने सब नू जाप लाया। सुकियां कलियां देखियां मैं जो, सुकियां कलियां देखियां मैं जो फिर महकाइयां जी। गुरपुरब दियां सारियां नूं होण वधाइयां जी, गुरपुरब दियां सारियां नूं होण वधाइयां जी। होण मुबारक सब नूं लगी सी नैना नूं, संगत विच जुड़ बैठे वीर ते भैणां नूं।